look in the
Look
center.
here.
Coco in the center.
Ma'am, right. Yeah.
Name over here. Sir, over here. Sir, look in the center, please. Karan sir, look in the center.
Sir,
Yeah, look here, please. Yeah, look here, please. Karan sir, look here. Look in the center, please.
सर आपके राइट में
Ladies, actor, producer, entrepreneur, storyteller, and an iconic force in the Indian entertainment industry. And joining us is our dynamic, accomplished, and inspiring guest of honor, Miss Amrita Fadnavis, a woman of romance, social initiatives, entrepreneurship, and the arts continues to create meaningful impact. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Karan Johar and Miss Amrita Fadnavis. May I request the President of the IMC Ladies Wing, Miss Anita Chauhan, kindly come on screen and be part of this celebration. Miss Shabana.
साइड हो जाइए या तो बैठ जाइए आप लोग या तो साइड हो जाइए बैठ जाओ आप नीचे साइड हो जाइए
skilled artisans as a tribute to India's rich craftsmanship and in support of our country's enduring artistic traditions. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for this special guest. As a special gesture of gratitude, we are honored to present our guests with a Grow Tree certificates. In their honor, a grove of 10 trees, each of them have part of this celebration. Poonam ji. Now to official exhibition, may I invite Miss Anita Chauhan, who has been at the helm of the organization, leading it with
A very good morning to all of you, respected Karan Johar, Anita Madam, Pallavi, Yuvika, Mr. Mahendra, Shabana ji, Poonam ji, Jhinjhunwala Madam, and all respected dignitaries here, members of IMC, friends, media. It's an honor to be here at 39th IMC exhibition for women entrepreneurs. And as discussed earlier, this is one of the best platforms India has ever seen, which gives spaces, which gives platforms to ideas, to talent, to dreams. 300 plus stalls today, and it's working on inclusion also with NGOs and people who really need this kind of platform to showcase their ideas. So it's a great endeavor, and congratulations to you for completion of 60 years of IMC Ladies Wing. You are a very strong, empowered community of women, and your mission is also great. You wish to empower other women, and it showcases in this exhibition. I hardly get to go to exhibitions, so I always wait that you call me, and while I move around, I get to choose my things. So it's a beautiful day. As we all know that in our country we have more than 230,000 startups, more than 120 unicorns, and these places like these help women that they also look forward to fulfill their dreams, their aspirations, and they get inspired by each other. They get empowered by each other. So it's the most beautiful platform anyone can think of. And I wish you best luck to continue activities, Women's Day programs, promotion of entrepreneurial spirits, the way you mentor young ladies and entrepreneurs. That's huge, and that's the need of the hour in our country, where we need women to be most empowered today.
The Dharma Empire through Dharmatic Entertainment, Dharma 2.0 and Dharma Collab Artist Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only Karan Johar.
Sorry for grabbing the mic, I had to do it. You see, to IMC goes the credit of everything that has been mentioned tonight. You know that I have been a supporter forever. And one more bigger credit has been that IMC women have actually managed to make Karan Johar blush and look really nice. So, congratulations to you.
You are absolutely right. Very rarely do women make me blush. Oh my God. I think it's very tough to follow what Amrita ma'am just said, and she said such exceptional things. It's very difficult to top that, so I won't even try. I'd like to just extend my heartfelt gratitude to all these wonderful, empowered women that surround me. Congratulations, firstly, on the Diamond Jubilee of the IMC Ladies Wing. That's a fantastic achievement. I'm so glad that we're all under this illustrious tree, and a tree always signifies growth, and that's what I can see, having started from 18 stalls 39 years ago to now 300 is a mammoth achievement. And how beautifully put by Madam Fatnavis that these aren't just stalls, these are stories. They're also dreams. And yes, Success and Failure, I always have believed that they should kind of walk together. You shouldn't ever get success to your head or get failure to your heart. And I think these exceptional women who stand behind these empowered stalls totally have dreams, and I wish that everyone attending this glorious exhibition gets to fulfill those dreams. Having been raised by an exceptionally empowered woman, I do understand the force that a woman is. I've had the pleasure of always believing very strongly in women empowerment, and I do believe that women make and men tend to break. Just being here around so many exceptional women makes me feel that this is possibly the best start I could have had to the day. So thank you for inviting me, and I'd like to mention all these wonderful women, Amrita ji, Poonam ji, Shabana ji, and all these wonderful women that I stand here with today. And on their behalf to all of you, I'd like to extend heartiest congratulations for this wonderful start. Let the hype begin.
Exhibition.
a celebration of enterprise, creativity, and above all, extraordinary spirit of women who have the courage to dream, the confidence to believe, and the determination to make things happen. This year is especially significant as the IMC Ladies Wing celebrates 60 remarkable years. For 6 decades, we've created platforms where women connect, learn, grow, and support one another. This exhibition is a proud reflection of that legacy, one that has grown stronger with each passing year. A very special and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Karan Johar. Karan, your journey is a wonderful example of how creativity, courage, and the willingness to think differently can transcend boundaries and create lasting impact. We are delighted and honored to have you inaugurate this celebration. A very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Ms. Amrita Fadnavis. Your work across business, culture, social initiatives, and women's empowerment continues to inspire and create meaningful change. We are privileged to have you with us. We also have the special privilege of having our dear Shabana ji and Poonam ji also join us. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to President IMC, Mr. Mahendra Chauhan, our esteemed past presidents, distinguished guests, members, partners, media well-wishers, and most importantly, all the women who are part of this exhibition. Welcome to the Hive. This year, our exhibition comes alive through the powerful symbol of bee and the hive. A hive is a beautiful example of what can happen where every individual contribution becomes part of something larger. Every bee has a role, every contribution matters. And together they create something far greater than any one of them could create alone.
Very special feeling stands here today and see understanding, thought, hard work come together as we open the doors to the 39th IMC Ladies Wing Women Entrepreneur Exhibition. I would like to begin by thanking our President, Anita Chauhan, for giving me this opportunity to lead this edition. 39th edition of the IMC Ladies Wing Women Entrepreneurs Exhibition come to life. This year is particularly special because sustainability has been a very intentional part of our exhibition journey. This is a platform for them. So come to shop. Requesting the dignitaries and the exhibition committee to kindly come forward for the photograph.
Over here, please. Karan sir, please. Yes, ready.